Hello, my name is Tabitha Dussel. I don't mind if you call me Tabitha or Tabby. I graduated from Penn State in 2016 with a bachelor's degree in psychology. I now work as a caseworker at my local county children and youth agency. I've been there a little over 2.5 years. I am in the intensive protective unit, so I see my kiddos weekly. Typically, they're babies or young vulnerable children, and their parents have severe mental health or severe drug and alcohol um, problems. So typically my families are like moderate to high risk of neglect or abuse. I do end up in court a lot. I end up with emergency placements a lot. I do work with foster agencies all over the place to find homes for my kiddos. I do plan on sticking around in my county, so right now would be the perfect time to pursue my master's and continue working as a caseworker just to learn more about everybody and what my county needs as far as resources. I do plan on eventually becoming a counselor, taking my boards to get my LCSW after graduation. Um, so I think that Widener's program is perfect the way that it is set up. I have a 3-year-old of my own, so finding time here and there it's working out pretty well right now. Um, so yeah, I look forward to furthering my education with everybody.